Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile Singer 9 presser feet sewing machine accessory kit, a must-have for any sewing enthusiast. This comprehensive kit includes 9 essential presser feet, such as blind hem, cording, darning, freehand embroidery, even feed, walking, gathering, narrow rolled hem, overcasting, satin stitch, and straight stitch, plus a twin needle, all neatly housed in a clear, durable storage case. Designed to fit most low-shank sewing machines, this accessory kit enhances your sewing capabilities, whether you're quilting, mending, or creating intricate patchwork designs. The even feed or walking presser foot is perfect for sewing multiple layers of fabric, making it an indispensable tool for quilting projects. Meanwhile, the darning and embroidery foot is ideal for repairing holes or creating stunning freehand monograms, embroidery, and thread painting. The durable plastic case, custom fit for Singer accessories, includes a removable padded insert to keep everything organized and protected. Elevate your sewing projects with the Singer Sewing Machine Accessory Kit, the perfect addition to your crafting arsenal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.